Regardless of the human's belief in any creatures or any existence in the universe or this world and sea world acknowledge the power of Almighty Creator, they all depend on every single second since their birth up till the death in their lifetime, no matter of people, religions or their belief. The experience of the power and controls by unseen signals from their Creator, who fulfills all the requirements and needs for the body and the soul to maintain their survival. Likewise, in the 3 stages of darkness, Almighty Creator develops the baby's structure and requirements in the mother's womb. When the person was a fetus in his mother's womb, as we know, the development of the whole structure depends and works on the unseen signals. Nobody knows, doctors or mother-father have no idea, until the ultrasounds reports come with positive results, then they satisfy, and regardless of the religion, they thank God and them able to find out about the development of the baby such as heart, lungs, brain, and also functions of other parts of the body. During the pregnancy, the mother's father waits and depends on the ultrasound reports. As we know, the entire body's parts function based on the arrival of the unseen soul. Soul enters into the mother's womb is invisible, the same as unseen signals. Also, they are hidden then. Mother starts able to feel the movement of the baby. As we know, the soul is unseen, comes from the 7 heavens. Almighty Creator sends the commands to the tiny single cell develop as the fetus in the mother's womb. The whole procedure and controls are unseen. To have a better understanding, the way we experience in our lifetime routines, our speech is hidden, vision and hearing are unseen as well, and also our thoughts, feelings, pain, oxygen, winds, hunger, and thirst etc. No one can see all these activities. All these unseen experiences are the facts of our life. When you're thinking, no one can see, and what you're thinking, nobody knows. When you are focusing, no one can see the focus in the middle of your eyesight. Your hearing is unseen. Music and all kind of sounds are invisible. When you are talking, no one can see, your words are flying. We should ponder and not ignore the most crucial topic of our life about the work, power, and controls of Almighty Creator. All His commands, control, and tasks are unseen. Think about, when the soul enters into the baby, in mother's womb to develop the body of the baby, what kind of devices they use to get the soul in the body. The most critical question to think, how soul enters into the mother's womb, then how the fetus turns into different shapes and sizes, as required, and develop beautiful eyes, ears, tongue, hands, and feet etc. A doctor cannot tell when the soul will enter the mother's womb. And don't forget, there are zillions hidden messages. At the time of the death, as soon hidden commands of Almighty Creator enter into the body for the end to leave the soul immediately from the body, no one able to stop the soul or hold it for a second at any price. When the soul goes from the body, no one can notice, and no machine can detect, and no one can chase the soul, just like cell phones and other devices. When anyone uses, no one can see the signals of the tools, and same way it happens with the soul. No one knows where all the souls go. Nobody can feel what the person is experiencing during the time of his death. No one can see the pain, what the pain he is experiencing at the time of the end. When the soul departs from the body, nobody can feel the difficulties at deathbed, regardless of the status, education, health, and wealth person earned in his lifetime. The question is, who is the creator of these billions of human souls, and trillions of other creatures' souls, since the world started? All the souls come in the world. How and who create the body for the soul? Baby stays for a limited time in the mother's womb in the water bag. As we know, if the water bath leaks, baby can die. Once baby body structure developed and delivered, there is no guarantee for the baby in mother's womb how long souls will be alive. Even before give, we all know we stayed for a limited time in the world and go back from where we come. And we should think, who is the creator of all these souls, statues, idols, or Almighty Creator? The Creator started sending all the souls to this world. He started maybe millions of years ago. His all attributes are unseen. Who is the creator of all these souls, and where all these souls come and where they go? People shouldn't ignore the essential facts of their life and death, and should understand the purpose of their life, why they came to this world, and why this world and universe created, must have some reasons. Their life's goal not only comes in this world to establish, work hard and get education, wealth, and build status and properties. When a person dies, leave everything behind and buried in the cascade with empty hands forever. As we acknowledge from history, The world's life is only transitory. We stay unknown limited time, which set by Almighty Creator. Examples of this world, just like an examination hall, remain for the test with unknown time limitations. This world is, if we analyze, everybody comes as a traveler, stay unknown limited time and go back. Some do good deeds, or some do bad deeds and action. Who will judge them? Due to this reason, we should not ignore the understanding about the Almighty Creator. We should obey Him and worship Him alone. This is only the purpose of our life. We should follow Him alone and try to understand the power, wisdom, and greatness and controls of the world and the universes. People usually ask the question, how God controls us alone and the universe without anybody's help. How any human can be the helper of the Creator, sustainer and provider of giant universe, this world, see world and all the existence. It's effortless to take care of them with unseen attributes, the way computers, internet, cell phones and other devices work with satellites control and communicates with unseen signals. We experience in our daily routines with the internet, bank accounts, cell phones and all other devices in the world work on hidden, invisible signs.
For more informative videos, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for all upcoming videos notification. Like this video and share with your family and friends.
I suggest you to read Quran in your language for more understanding of Almighty God Allah.
IshtHereAnyGod.com